No, I'm not sure how to use it, so what do I do?
Well, you
Wait a
just
minute,
film.
let me open this a bit.
Okay.
Oops. Oh. Is that a drone? Is it?
Helicopter.
Would they? Yeah, they spy.
Well, they're listening in on us.
Oh,
We're pretty important people. Hey, they're gonna bust our concentration camp.
if it fits, you know, they can't say I didn't get it somewhere else.
Well, film
No,
me
do you
doing
want me to
this.
film?
Yeah,
Okay.
film me.
Okay, and
And-
when
and
what I see,
Film my head.
okay, what I see on here is what is being filmed, right?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Okay. Excuse me. Am I in
No,
the way?
no, you're fine. Pissed off a spider. He's crawling out, going, "Hey, what are you doing in my home?" And I'd like to get that right there, but man, that might be too obvious. I wonder if that's good enough. That's got some black on it.
Yeah. Well, maybe just a tiny bit more or something. And if it's deep in the wood, which I think it is, it's even going to be a better sample because it won't.
You got your plastic baggie we can put it in?
I got something yet.
Okay.
Okay. All right. This jar is real clean. I cleaned it good.
Okay.
And just
So I don't understand if they have insurance. What is the big deal? What
I
is the
know
big
it.
deal? It's not going to cost her any.
Well,
Maybe cost her $800 out of her pocket.
she probably knows this place will be condemned toward now.
Well, then that's her lost income, but she's got to be here. Hold this camera. You can film me putting it in the jar. This is proof for whatever, and film my face too, so they can see on court if we go to court.
Okay.
Film my face right now. Hi, I'm collecting mold. Did you ever see that show, Aaron Brockovich, Aaron Brockovich,
yeah.
where she busted that chemical company for poisoning the water system? This is the same thing. There, we got a little white paint in there. See, can you tell I chipped that away?
Yeah, now that'll fit. They can't say it didn't come from here.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Well, we got it on film,
Yeah. Uh-huh.
and
Okay.
there's Rain. She just filmed it. What's the date today, Rain?
The, I don't know, 6th, 5th?
Are you suffering from black mold dementia?
Yes, I am.
Okay. June 6th, 2013.